So, guys, we just got another tornado warning. This just came up on my phone. And then, of course, the sirens went off.
The night's young, it has just begun. As she puts her hand in mine, we wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Guys, just check out these clouds. You just don't know. There could be a tornado in any one of these clouds. Now, I believe these are heading north and east. And they're going pretty fast. I mean, look. So right now we just have the heavy rain, some lightning, but I'm going to turn this around and we're getting some wind as well. Not another one of these, guys, not another one of these. So while we just heard that siren, I just got a text message from my mom who lives about 35, 40 miles away, and the sirens are going off there as well. So it looks like we're going to have a widespread severe storm and possibly some more tornadoes. Valerie is on her way home right now, and I really hope she doesn't have to go through a tornado. I hope she's smart enough to pull over and get shelter if she needs to. One thing that's good though is at least it's still daylight, so we'll be able to see this coming. Nighttime is so scary. Nighttime is so scary because you can't see it coming. Well, that lightning bolt was pretty dang close. Holy Toledo, Batman. The rain is definitely getting harder and stronger, and the winds are definitely picking up. This time of the year for the Midwest, we get the warm weather from the south and we get the cold weather from the north, and uh-oh, here comes the hail. Oh my goodness. Anyway, the cold and the warm air collide and we get tornado season. And check this out, it is actually hailing right now as we speak. Oh wow, it's pretty good sized chunks. Isn't this crazy? It's literally been like 2 weeks. don't know what's more scary. The winds picking up and the hail, or that tremendous lightning and thunder. So this storm here wasn't even close to the severity of the tornadoes that came through a couple weeks ago. This one had a little bit of bite and then it was gone. Mostly right now it's just been lightning and thunder. We had that little bit of hail and a little bit of wind, but nothing to the magnitude of 2 weeks ago. The sirens just don't go off for any reason. There had to have been a reason for them to go off. There must have been something in the area. I mean, for them to go off and tell everybody to seek shelter, something had to have been at least close. Well, that's a good thing right there. Valerie is pulling into the driveway, so she made it through whatever was going on between her work and home.